New Trackflex is coming. So for the Trackflex series, we have different kinds of illuminates for you choose. The semi-sphere light, the sphere, and the spotlight, and the movable diffuser, and the linear light for you choose. For this one, we have the fixed one, and also the movable one, as you see. And this one is the electric conductive, and this one is also the electric conductive, and it is very easy to install. Here, we just need to press the buckle. Yes, as you see, the line is bright. So for all of our product, it is also very easy to install. We just need to press the buckle and then put the belt on it. Then the line is bright. And for this one, we can remove both in the check well, as you see. It's removable. So when you want to change the illuminate, it's also very easy for you to change. We just need to press the bell and then use another one in it, as you see. So for the bell, you can change the different kinds of light as you need, and it is also removable for all of our Trackflex lighting in this series. For the sphere and the semi-sphere, we can use it in the decoration. For the linear light and the spotlight, we can use it in the commercial use, such as the project and the office.
Let us make a brief introduction for our component. As you can see, this one is our surface mounted connection box. We also have the built-in connection box. This is the fasten base, and this one is the tab holder. This one is the big end cap, and this is the small end cap. We also have the conductive module and the Eagle Rise driver. This is the braided tape color for option: blue, gray, red, and black. The braided tape can be cut as you need. It's very easy. This is the braided tape. As you can see, this two line has a copper inside to make the electricity, and I will show you how to install, use this kind of the component. And see, this is the conductive module, and also we have a surface mounted connection boxes. Press this button to fix this, and also this is the boxes. As you can see, inside also have a component like this component to fix this. Fix the belt inside, then finish like this. This is the fasten base to make the braided tape to be relaxed of taut way. This is the tab holder to fix the braided tape here, and also finish this screw to fix it. Then to put it in the ceiling. Okay, the end cap. And the small end cap.